basically wanted to show persons and agencies that have been supporting us in the World Theatre Project where we are, what we have done, and some which have given us funding. We wanted them to see, because they give funding to specific projects. We have basically finished in terms of the contracting for the seating, where you are now, that is completed. With respect to the carpeting, we have also completed that. The carpeting, the carpet is here, the contractors are ready, they have started to do some of the preparation work. The ceiling, that is also in place. All the changing rooms have been completed, all the restrooms, just finishing touches. Nothing for us to worry about. Even the tin carvings, which are these tin carvings we are basically redoing. So where we are with the theatre is really where I am standing. This is where we are. We are at the stage. We are quite advanced in the preparation in terms of the design and the costing for it. As a matter of fact, we have already done an estimate. We have drawn from experts across the globe who have come here, given us their time and their expertise, and have coming up with designs for the stage area and costumes. This would include the lighting and the rigging system. I will tell you, the lighting will be a significant part of the theatre. You can put on a show just with the lighting.
Me is a gate man, key man, watchman, security expert. People have to respect me. Me no partial cater or curry favor. Them have to respect me.
Where we are now, we are seeing the end. We have to nurture and give full expression to the creative faculties of the residents of Kingston and St. Andrews. The theatre is symbolic of that.
This is a place that I performed at when I was like 5, 6, 7 years old. Win all gold medal and a Jamaica festival. I used to do quadrille. It's supposed to have the real look, you know. I can see the potential.
Share in the dream. Share in the vision that is attainable, and let us realize the dream. The next time we commit to you, that the next time we stand here, the next time we gather here, that will be a special moment in the history of the city of Kingston.